Okay, port fast for the CCNA, very important topic, and plus it's more important topic when you go to the interview. Mostly people will ask you port fast as well. What is the port fast with regard to the spanning tree? So port fast is a feature for spanning tree where we normally see that when we connect a device, end host and server or a machine, it takes up to 50 seconds to come online. So for example, if I show you on my packet tracer, I have a switch here. And in this switch, if I connect a machine here, okay, and if I connect this machine, so you can see this yellow line, orange line. If I log into the switch, okay, you see the first of all, whenever you connect a new port or any changes happen in the topology, the port goes into the listening state. From listening, it goes to the learning stage. And from learning, it goes to the forwarding stage. So there are three stages of the port. When there is anything change in the topology, we start receiving the BPDU, and we can see that the port goes into the listening, learning, and forwarding stage. Now you can see it is green. So effectively, this machine, when it's connected to the switch, actually, it takes up to the 50 seconds to go into the forwarding state. So for example, if I just do one thing, is support 01. If I say shut, and I say no shut again, right? So you can see whenever there is a change, it goes to the listening state. It takes maybe 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. I'm not 100% sure, but check the guide actually how much time it takes. Then learning stage, LRN. And then you will see after, so total time it takes 50 seconds. Okay, so total time it takes 50 seconds. Okay, so basically what we see, if I do again F01, shut the port, you see, and I say no shut, show spanning tree. So you can see it goes to the listening learning stage. But there is a feature which called we can use on this interface level, port fast. Okay, enter. Now when I shut this, it goes down, but when I say no shut, you will see immediately it come into the forwarding state. So now we are avoiding the listening and learning stages. So wherever you connect a machine or a server, for example, I connect a server or an end host here. That machine, that interface, because the end host, PC, laptop, server, they do not understand the spanning tree. Okay? So they do not understand the spanning tree. That is why it is better to disable the spanning tree on that port. Okay? When I say shut and I say no shut, you can see it's immediately going into the forwarding state. Is that clear now? Ali? So this is to avoid the listening, learning, and forwarding stage. Show the code as soon as the code is connected, it goes into the forwarding state. For example, if I just disconnect this cable, okay, and I put a new cable here, '23. You see, it is immediately going to the forwarding state. It doesn't need to wait for the listening and learning stages. This is how you can actually keep the listening and learning stages. So you see 23 port immediately forwarding. So this is called port fast feature, and we need to make sure we need to enable on the port where we are connected to the end devices. The port fast should be disabled for the port where you have the switches. Switch to switch, port fast must be enabled. Sorry, disabled. You should not make sure that enable, because effectively it disables the spanning tree protocol. And that is why it gives you the message as well. When I enable this, you can see warning port fast should be enabled on the port connected to the single host connecting to hub switch concentrator switches. To this interface, port fast must be enabled. Can cause temporary busy. So basically, they are saying connecting a hub or switch where the port fast is enabled, it will cause a loop. Port fast has been configured on the port 23, but will be effective once the interface is on the non-trunking mode. So basically, it should be on the access mode and not on the trunking mode. So let's say I have this port. Basically, when I put this into the, you see, I have, even though this is a switch to switch, we should disable the port fast. But because we enable it, that's why you can see the port is going into the forwarding mode straight away. Okay. So this is the port fast feature. Any question?